You're watching HaitianJonas.com. Some of you already watched my Ebola video concerning what happened. Now I'm going to talk about kids in Haiti who are in a situation that no one can see the situation that they are in. Some of you guys know what's going on. I would like to say thank you to Pastor Julio, who has a teen challenge in Haiti, Caribbean Fellowship, Beautiful Future, and universities in the United States, young Haitians that are coming together to help organization, the legit one, the good one, to help kids in Haiti. I would like to say thank you. Thank you, Ted Hiller, that took the initiative to contact me, to ask me, how can I help? Some of you guys do not know what's going on. Recently, we had Sister Donna, 3 years ago, was arrested in Haiti. They accused her of kidnapping young kids and selling it to the white folks. That's what they accuse. To these days, she is still in jail. Judge. She is still in jail. For what? For an accusation they put on her status. She's a young lady. She started early age helping kids, begging for $1 to help kids to get off the street. And we have so many kids out there right now. Right now. Haiti is open for business. Sister Donna, I don't know if you're still alive, but I know the good work you have done. We have kids in Haiti. We have kids that were with missionaries, and missionary has taken them, used them, abused them.
Homeless street kids, he seemed like a savior. Perlitz built a school where boys could be safe. It became known as the Village, a place where boys who had nothing could come to learn, eat, sleep, and play.
I'm not saying all of them are like that. There are few are like that. They shut government police, shut their mouth with some money for them not to talk. It's tough, man. Let me tell you how Haiti is. If you're in Haiti and you said, this man who has money is abusing me, they will say, you crazy. Now, some of you guys are saying I'm crazy because I'm talking about things like that. Right? Some of you are saying that. You're about to see some video like you never seen before. Thank God CNN had to go and do it. Some of you guys do not know what's going on in your own country. Some of you are blind. Some of you can't see. I could have been one of them. I could have been one of these kids on the street. But God favored me grace, favored me love, favored me opportunity. I had right people around me. Some of you guys need to go and help. Some of you guys need to support. It's tough. We don't know who to support. Sad. Our government, Haitian government, President Michel Martelly. You need to say something about Sister Saduna. You need to say something. You need to say something. The reason why Saduna was in a situation, because some rich folks wanted to buy land, wanted to buy her land. Because Taras is above her. She's at Plateau Cafe. But her kids, they have school, you know, they doing the studies and stuff like that. These kids are making too much noise. How do I know that? I used to live next to her. Because I was staying at the Balls family. I didn't even know that was Saduna in Plateau Cafe. I visited her. I see people put kids in the box. Kids in their baby in the box in front of her gate. Because they couldn't handle that. She has to take the baby and come and feed the baby, nourish the baby. This is the person they accuse. This is the person. Haitian people, if we're doing demonstration, y'all should do it for her. She deserves a second chance in life. Same way Christ has died for us, for good thing. People who's doing good thing in Haiti, they're on the cross. This is what happened in Haiti. Haiti, it's money talk. Haiti is talk, talk, talk. Complex. Color. This is what Haiti is all about. Nobody cares. Nobody give a flying F. They don't care. I'm a true person. I'm telling you what's going on in Haiti. If you want to take it, you take it. If you don't, it's okay. Bypass the video. You don't even have to watch. You don't even have to comment. But HaitianJonas.com, I'm not talking politics. I'm trying to give back to my country. Give back. Thank you for watching. Get Haitian Jonas app. After 2 million people purchase the app, my goal is to build a gymnasium in Haiti. After 2 million people purchase it. If I don't do it, you can call me to court. So, hopefully, you guys start doing it so I can get started. Thank you for watching HaitianJonas.com and go enjoy that video. Thank you.